Now next we are going to create a WordPress website. Now what all things are required for WordPress website? So first thing is domain name. So now you guys have created your blogs. So you are clear now on which topic you can create your website. Okay. So if you are confident enough, you want to take it forward, you want to create your website. So what you have to do is you have to finalize a domain name. So for finalizing domain name, you have to go to godaddy.com. Okay, now you have to search a domain. So any name? Anyone has researched anything? Okay. So I'm searching for travelfloats.com. So this is available. Exact match it is. And it is at 199 rupees. So it is not 199 rupees. It says 199 for the first year with a 2-year registration. If you're taking just for 1 year, it will be something more. Okay. Yeah, something. So initially when you are purchasing a domain, on the first purchase, you might get something discount, some discount. So to get that discount, you can connect with contact us 24/7 and you can chat with them. There will be a chat support also, or else you can call them. And you say, I want to purchase a domain. It is costing a lot. Give me some discount coupon if you can. Then I will be happy. Don't demand anything. Request. Always remember. If you demand, you don't get. If you request, more than 90% are the chances that you get. You just ask them, I want to purchase a domain from your website. I tried on many websites. So if you can provide me some coupons, because costing is going on little high, so it will be great. Then they will say, yeah, just wait, I will give you one coupon. So it will reduce the cost little bit. So if you want to go with this, you can go with this. And if it is not available, then it is going to suggest you different domains. Travelfloat.com. How much? 1,76,000. So there will be a lot of domains which are in lakhs. So this is also a very big business. You buy different domains, you keep it with you, and later on you can sell it at a higher price. So these are the resales. Yeah, these are the resales. And many a times it will be like some demanding words will be there, which is used by a lot of people. So what they will do is now travel, float. Float means float in the water, floating, Goa, and lot of things. It can be related. Travel. Travel is also a very common word. People loves to travel. Float related to water and all. So that is the reason they are treating this as premium. Okay. So like this, they will treat many of the thing as premium. You want to purchase, you can purchase from here. Or else what I do is I search in another service provider. I can search in Bluehost. I can search in Hostinger and all. So somewhere it will be this much, but at somewhere you are going to get it at cheaper cost. So you have Namecheap. So this is one of the best place to buy domain. Without buying domain, Without getting a job, can you earn money?
No, sir, I'm asking because if we don't have
See,
money, we cannot.
domain, why we are purchasing it, I will tell you. If you are having a blog, then also you can. No issues in that.
By doing work in blog only, we can earn money.
Yes, you can. But see, what happens is, yeah, in blog, what you got a subdomain. So we discussed last time only, if subdomain is there, people don't remember the website. Now, if I tell you I want to purchase a mobile phone, you will say Amazon, Flipkart, very small name. If it is amazon.blogspot.com, how many people will remember that? Very less. So that happens with this subdomain. But if it is a domain, so it is very easy for people to remember. Travelpiece.in. You will remember your travel piece. So that is the reason domain name it is preferred, or else in blog you have to put lot of effort. Why? Because people don't remember, they just bookmark your domain. It is a subdomain, they don't remember .blogspot or .blogger, what is the name, so they will bookmark. So more bookmarks, it is good, or else people don't remember and type. Direct traffic is very less in this case. But in this case, it is high. So domain name is preferred. If you cannot buy, no issues, you just go with a blog. It is up to you. I can. So this is the place where all the domains are registered. The main hub. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. So this is a non-profit organization. So these people who are GoDaddy, Namecheap and all, they are the resellers. And everything is being registered on iPad. You can also start a company like GoDaddy, very easy. You can also give domain names, you can also give hosting. You just have to research a little bit, you get associated with icon and you can start your own company. That is very easy. But again, to maintain the things, to maintain your customer service, that takes a lot of time. Yeah. How to organize everything, that is the headache part. Or else it is very easy to start a company like this. So you have to take a domain name, then you have to take hosting. So hosting, either you can take Linux hosting or you can take Windows hosting. So Linux, you get a cPanel. So using cPanel, it is very easy to operate the things on your hosting. But you don't get a cPanel in here. So you have to be expert, then you go with Windows. But many people prefer Linux, whether beginner or expert, because it is very easy and fast to do the things from here. So domain will cost you around 3 to 400 rupees. If you are going with .com, it is little costly. Then go to .in, it is little cheaper. And if you go with general, then it is the cheapest. Okay, so mine is a blogging website. You're blogging about travel. So you are blogging about travel in India or international? India. So why to go with .com? I go with .in. I save money. It will cost you 200 or 250 something. And if you are not getting this, you go with .xyz. That is not preferred, because that is normally people don't remember all this .xyz and all. So mostly it is this. And if you feel this is also costly, then you can check on this. But the best suggestion is go with .in. If I talk about hosting, now on the same platform, you can buy the hosting as well. So you can see here hosting. So I click on hosting. Web hosting. No, every year. We'll see now. Now what it says is, if you go with the 3-year terms, then it is 99 per month. So what you are getting in this, 500 MB RAM speed. Speed of your website depends on RAM. Then you can host one website. Unmetered bandwidth. So bandwidth is calculated when anyone comes to your website, data is used. So that data comes under your bandwidth. Okay. So unmetered means they are not going to give you any specification like till 1 GB only it can be used. So data inflow, outflow will be there. Upload, download will be there. So if it reaches 1 GB, then your website won't open to the users. Here it is unmetered means it is fine. So previously they were giving a metered bandwidth, but now everyone is giving bandwidth. Previously it was 2 GB or 5 GB, that's it. 30 GB storage space. So you get a storage space of 30 GB. So in 30 GB you want to upload movies, you want to upload anything, you can just do that. Free one-click WordPress install. So we don't want this because we can install it by ourselves. So this is only for one website. This is also for one website. Now, if you take this hosting, in one hosting, you can add multiple websites. In one hosting, I can go with unlimited websites, but it is going to be costly. So it says 299 per month if you go with 3 years, or else it will be 599 or 699 per month. So now for you, you guys just have to purchase a domain name. Hosting we are giving free to you for 3 months. And this is a premium hosting with SSL, HTTP on HTTPS, and you get SSD storage space, not HDD. SSD is faster than HDD. You guys know about SSD? So research about SSD. It is in market from long now, and SSD is very much faster compared to HDD. So you get 3 months premium hosting for free. You have to buy a domain. Once you buy the domain, you have to change the DNS. Now say I tell you you guys come to my home for party tomorrow. I just tell this, I go. And when I come next day, I ask you why you guys didn't came. So what is the answer? No address, then you guys cannot come. So what is required? Address. So when you are purchasing domain from somewhere else, when you are purchasing hosting from somewhere else, not from the same service provider, you have an address which is known as DNS, domain name server. So this DNS we have to put in domain name. So it is going to point to the hosting space. Then these both things are linked, and then we install WordPress on it. And once WordPress is installed, my website is live. Then I can create posts, I can create pages, I can create forms, I can do anything on my website. So it is not compulsory that you have to buy a domain name, but if you take domain name, it is very good. Why? Because when we are going to do all the practicals of SEO, when we are going to do practicals of SCM, Facebook, anything, you can directly implement on your host, on your domain. Instead of working for someone else, you can do on your thing only. You can do it for our blogger. You can do for bloggers. But the process is different in WordPress and blog. In blog, you have to go inside your HTML and all. So there are a lot of things you will mess up. WordPress, nothing. WordPress plugins are there. Using plugins, we do everything. We don't enter into code anytime. That is the best. Yes, so that is the reason WordPress is the best. But if you are companies also, they prefer only WordPress only. No. Companies many company will have HTML, many companies will have PHP, Java and all. So you as a digital marketer, you have to handle only digital marketing. Anything which is related to website, that will be transferred to the website. You say this has to be pasted in here, this has to be done in here, that will be sent to the website designer, and website designer is going to do all the task. But if you are a freelancer, you have to do it by yourself. So if something is related to coding, you connect with the website designer, you say, I will pay you this much amount, I want all this work done. So you pay a part and you get that work done from the website designer. And if you already know website designing, that is good enough.
And I have my content in my blog. Suppose I am completing the email.
Yes, you can shift it and you just remove everything from the blog. You cannot keep that thing on both places. From one place, you need to remove it. So now when we are doing SEO, now hosting, you get free hosting also. But free hosting, what will happen is lot of ads will be coming on your hosting when you are putting your domain. Plus, if you are implementing anything of SEO, it is not going to work out on free hosting. I'm doing a lot of efforts. I'm doing a lot of hard work. So you take a domain name and you take a free hosting, your hard work is almost zero when I talk about SEO. So that is the reason we thought, okay, we give you a hosting for free, so that domain, I think you guys can afford 2 to 300, 400 is not much, but hosting, yes, it is going to cost much. So 3 months is more than enough to build good content to rank in Google. So there is high competitive keyword, there is medium competitive and low competitive. So within 3 months, you can rank few of the pages of your website which are medium competitive. And if you wish, now you are very much confident, yes, I have created my website, I want to take it further. So after 3 months, you can buy your own hosting. So you take the backup, whatever you have created, you take the backup, and in your new hosting, you can just move it. So you get the live practical live experience, everything on your website. Instead of working on someone else's website, if you are putting everything on your website, again, it is going to help you in getting AdSense activated on your website. So those who are interested can purchase a domain, and once your domain you have taken, you just email me, so I will give you the instructions. So you can just write down, you need to change the DNS to ns1 dot. So this is the DNS what you have to change. So say you are purchasing it from GoDaddy. So I will tell you the steps. Say you have purchased a domain from GoDaddy. Get it.
First, everyone's testing space. I have all the content in that. If I don't remove that,
Yes. One. Yes. So that is the reason we have to take regular backups. Whenever you have a website, a regular backup is compulsory, either weekly or else monthly, or else you will lose. Something happens. Corona was sudden. We didn't expected anything, and you know how the life went from normal to very much abnormal. So if such kind of thing is happening, then again you will lose all the things. So that is the reason, keep on taking the backup. So you can search in Google how to change the DNS in GoDaddy. You will find different articles. Okay. So you need to change it to This one, ns1.bluehost.com. If you are able to do by yourself, it is good enough, or else we'll see in class how to change. No issue for that. So once DNS is pointed, then only I can put your domain on our host. If it is not, then we cannot. Okay, so we change the DNS, we put it on our hosting, and then we install WordPress, and then you are ready to go to launch your website.
They don't give any yearly package functions.
Who? Yearly hosting, it is there. No, Google won't give it. Google, it is little costly. Don't go with Google. If you go with GoDaddy and all, or else if you go with Bluehost and all, it is everyone is giving you yearly package. See, this is no, this is per month they are telling, but when you add this to cart, you have offer 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year. So you have all that options. Yeah.
Only to forget to renew it next month. That's what I thought it would be more.
No, not this is just telling. See, now in marketing, no, in marketing, what happens is if they show you something big, you are scared. They show you some small number, you feel many a times what will happen is they will give one product is 500 rupees. So they will give rupees 50 offer on this product. When we see, oh, 50 rupees, oh, I will take. We put in our basket. When we go to billing, they say, sir, this is 450. It is 50 there. And he'll say, sir, it is 50 rupees off, not in 50 rupees. So this is all marketing stuff. So same thing in here, they want to show you small number so that you click and add to your cart. So it is talking about 1 month. And that too with a 3 years term. So much of gimmicks are there.
Pay and then you show no interest, then gone.
Yeah.
While browsing the features like there are so many features, what do I click on to save or open?
They will block left click.
Something copyright again.
They don't want you to download. Yeah, take screenshot. No, it's not working properly.
After downloading the images and post, but is not showing in folder that belongs to others.
Not showing in which folder?
After downloading the image, they should post, master.
Oh yeah.
It is not coming there. Not in there.
It will come, no?
Showing
See, sometimes there is a There is a problem with the monitor as well. When monitor is nowadays you see 16:9 ratio. Previously it was 4:3 ratio. So because of the monitor also, if you're putting something, it is going to be something at the bottom. You might not be visible. Sometimes when you are having virus on your computer, you upload it, it is going to be uploaded, but on your screen it won't appear. So that all things can also happen. Okay, so it is not working in here. So you just have to add it. After adding, you have to choose whether you want to take for 1 month, 2 months and all. So right now, no need of worrying about this because we are giving you, you just have to take a domain. So you have to decide a domain, at least 1 or 2% should take a domain. You want to take?
Yeah.
You guys decided on the names? In travel only any name. So now when you are taking a domain name, always remember less than 15 characters. Your domain name should not be more than 15 characters. How many characters? Exact 15. So this much it is fine, but you should not go beyond this. Why? Because again, it is going to be a problem when you do SEO. SEO, Google, whenever you are searching for any result, have you seen any website with long name ranking in Google? It will be small names only. There are good websites with long name, their content is good, but Google is ranking which is within 15 characters because they want people to remember the website. If long name is there, again they won't be able to remember. So less than 15 characters is preferable. So you can choose the name. You can think, yeah. .blogspot.com, that is more than 15 characters. That is a subdomain. And you will never find subdomain in SEO results. Very rare subdomains. So go with .in or .com according to your budget. .com if you want to push it globally, .in if you want to push it locally. So once this is done,
It's in order to, I just want to write blogs. Still easy required for me to get a website or
yeah, blogs, but where will you write? See, we have product based website, we have content based, and we have service based. Product, content, and service. Now, content based is what? Where content is there. So, blog is what? That is the content only. So, you should require a, like just in a Blogspot, Blogger, what we did? We took a subdomain and we are creating content on that. So, same thing we are doing in here. But this is like a brand, you are an entrepreneur. If you say, I am an entrepreneur, then they say, oh, nice. What is your company name? Then you say, travel with vijay.blogspot.com. Does it look nice? You say, travel with Vijay. That is my company. Now it sounds nice, good, entrepreneur. It gives the feel of grab also, and it gives the feel of entrepreneur. So that is the reason we take a main domain. We don't work with the server. Nowadays, what is happening? Everyone is creating a website. Website content is there. Just content based website are so much, and people are making so much of money. They are entrepreneurs now. They don't want any job, anything. Monthly, they are gaining around 500, minimum $500 to $1,000. Only content. Now, if you do not want to take domain name alone, you can form a team as well. Form a team because as an individual, you won't be able to do so much of things. But if you form a team, you can do a lot of things. So now online we have 4 people. No, one I am. So I am not included. So online we have 4 people, offline we have 5 people. We have more than 10 members, but today total 9 members are present. So you can just connect with each other. Minimum 2 members form a team. Now on the same website, you can both of you can buy. And when it is monetized, first you have to make sure that you have to decide, once we monetize, how much percentage you want, how much percentage I want. Take it in a written and be clear about that. Because when big money starts flowing, then many people change. So it has to be clear enough. If 3 members are there, okay. So what will be the partnership in future if it is being monetized? So be clear with that. Buy a domain and put all the costing. Domain name you are purchasing this much, okay, and then if any other cost is incurred, you can put that cost, everything. So be professionally, make it professionally, and then start a website. And see, minimum I am telling, if you're serious, by the end of the class, by the end of this class, 2 months only, you will be able to monetize your website using Google AdSense. But you have to be serious. If you're serious, I will be giving you a lot of tasks. So if I am giving some task, you have to complete. And if I say email me, yes, email me, whatever it is. You have completed 50%, email me, sir, I have completed 50%. I am trying to do it. There was some issues, so I was unable to complete. But you should email me. So I will understand, yeah, you are doing things. If I want to assign something extra, I will just reply, okay, now do this, now do this. So it is going to be an added advantage for you guys. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. So domain name, see, you guys can discuss among yourself. So online people, I am just giving you the chat window. I am here for another 10 minutes. If you want, you just discuss among yourself in the chat. You want to team up, you can team up. And then you can create your blog. You want, you guys can also discuss. I'm giving you 10 minutes, you guys. So anyone wants to speak online and offline, you can. We have a mic, we have speakers also.
I created course.
You will?
Send you the blog.
Blog I received, yours and yours I received.
Oh, we have a course and
Okay.
trying to link it with the
Okay, so quickly, what I will say is everyone introduce yourself. Okay, so I will start with online people. Yes, you can use RP. If you are having a website, you can use it. Yeah, Kranti, you can just unmute yourself and you can introduce yourself. Yeah, a website is good. You can work on this website only. You can do SEO, you can do SCM, you can do social media marketing, anything can.
Did she create it or she got it?
You have created this, or Arti, you created this website or you got it created? Okay, nice. So she got it created. Yeah.
Post management.